Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ITR-6, the tax return form for companies in India. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about ITR-6, from eligibility and benefits to the required documents for filing. Let's get started. ITR-6 is a tax return form used by companies, excluding those claiming exemption under Section 11 of the Income Tax Act. It's designed to capture the income details of companies, ensuring they meet their tax obligations. If your company falls under this category, this guide is for you. You are required to file ITR-6 if your company is a private limited company, a public limited company, a one-person company, any other company not claiming exemption under Section 11. Filing ITR-6 offers several benefits. Simplified filing process. The form is designed to make the filing process straightforward for companies. Legal compliance ensures your company meets its tax obligations, avoiding penalties. Financial record serves as documented proof of income and tax paid by your company. Eligibility for loans helps in loan applications as it provides a clear financial picture of your company. Tax refunds allows you to claim refunds for any excess tax deducted. To file ITR-6, you will need the following documents: company information, PAN card, CIN, corporate identity number, and bank account details. Income proof, financial statements, bank statements, details of other income like interest and dividends. Tax deduction and payment proof, Form 1616A for TDS, advance tax payment receipts, self-assessment tax payment receipts. Expense proof, invoices, bills for purchases and expenses, utility bills related to business. Additional documents, GST registration details, proof of investments for claiming deductions, details of any international transactions. Let Juro Legal handle your ITR-6 filing with precision and care. Our team of experts streamlines the paperwork, reduces your compliance burden, and maximizes your tax benefits. With Juro Legal, you can be confident that your tax return is accurate and submitted on time, ensuring full compliance with tax regulations. We offer personalized support and detailed guidance throughout the process, making it hassle-free for you. Choose Juro Legal for a seamless ITR-6 filing experience and focus on what matters most: growing your business. We hope this guide has made the process of filing ITR-6 clearer and easier for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and happy filing.